Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today I'm gonna show you about the use of Smart Tweezer to measure the component values. So you can see here we have the Smart Tweezer. You can see here this is the Smart Tweezer, and uh, you we have here two buttons. So if you press this button, so this is scan here. If you press this button, so it is showing auto in resistance mode. If you press again, it is showing in the continuity mode, and if you press it again, it is showing in the diode mode. If you press it again, it is showing in the capacitor mode, that is NF. And if you press it again, you can see it is now showing the scanning mode. Okay, so whatever component you uh, want to check, this scanning mode scan the component types and will show the value of that particular components. So here you can see we have some components along with the PCB boards. So I will, here you can see this is light emitting diode, this is ceramic capacitor, this is resistor here, this is SMT capacitor, SMT resistor, and this is SMT capacitor, and here we have some board. So let me show you the, let's say, the value of this resistor. So how will you can see the value of this resistor? You have to just connect these two terminal here, right? And you can see now it is showing 209.2 kilo ohm, right? 209.2 kilo ohm. That means the resistance value is around, it is showing 208.9 kilo ohm. Let me check some other component. So this is ceramic capacitor, right? And if you press it here, so you can see now the value is 2.1 nanofarad, right? And let me show you the value for this capacitor. So I just plug it and I will show you now. Hope you can see. So the value for this capacitor is 9.03 microfarad. So maybe the actual value for this capacitor is 10 microfarad with some tolerances, right? Now you can see here we have a small component, that is some resistor. I will just plug it and I will show you the value for this resistor. It is moving here and there. So yeah, so this time you can see the value for this resistor is 9.99 kilo ohm, right? 9.99 kilo ohm. Now I have one more component here. This is basically a, you can see this is basically a light emitting diode, right? This is light emitting diode, and if you plug it here, you can see, so you can see once you plug it this, you can see your LED start glowing here. So hope you can see this. Okay, right? If you plug it this, you can see your LED is brightening now, right? Hope you can see your LED is blinking, your LED is brightening, blinking, LED start glowing. So if you go and see here, so this is just scanning and showing the value for this capacitor. Let me connect in other fashion, and if you connect in other way like this way, you can see LED is glowing here. Okay, and here showing, maybe you have to go in the diode function. So now if you connect it in the diode function, so let me show you, LED is completely bright glowing now. So you can see the brightness of LED and it is completely glowing, and here you can see there is some digit which is coming 1.456 volt. Okay, and here you can see LED is brightening. Now in the some cases here I have some sample boards which is the board for ST-Link programmer. So if you have some faulty component in it and you want to measure the value, how will you measure? By using this smart tweezer. So let me plug one resistor here. So here if you plug it here, so you have to just select the mode, that is scan mode, and once you plug in this resistor, you can see here the register value is showing 10 point. Just let me show you, the register value is, it is showing the continuity and the register value is 10.3. likewise if I check this, the register value is, what is the register value is 1.49k here. Okay, in the same fashion if you want to measure some capacitance value, you can measure the capacitance value, and here it is showing, maybe you have to select this in the capacitor mode, right? Then you can measure the value of this capacitor. Okay, so you can measure the value of this capacitor. So maybe the value for this capacitor, you can see the actual capacitance value along with the parasitic capacitance value. Let me see what is this, if it is working. No, let me connect in the diode mode, right? And let me check if it is working. No, let me check this way. No. So hope you can understand, hope you understand the use of smart tweezer to measuring the components value, right? To measuring the components value, you can measure the components value individually. Likewise I have shown you for different components, and you can also measure the component value which is populated on the boards. Okay, so I hope that you now are able to understand the use of smart tweezer for the component value measurement. For this is smart SMT tester, right? This is a smart SMT tester. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.